This is our very first coach of any type. We've never owned any type of camping vehicle or recreational vehicle before. This is literally our first trip.
This is the first time that we've owned a coach.
We signed up for the Spartan training, 5-day training, because we just didn't know a whole lot about the chassis and how to operate it.
I'm very mechanically inclined and I want to understand how it works and everything. This course is outstanding. Best instructor I've ever seen.
What I like about this class is we're learning the coach one component at a time and going through and understanding what it's used for, how we might help troubleshoot it, the whole 9 yards.
Coming into this class, I had kind of a negative attitude, thinking that this is not going to be for the wives, this is going to be only for the husbands, because it's going to be mechanics. But the presentation of everything has been very helpful, extremely helpful.
I had never sat in the driver's seat before, so it was a great experience. I learned how to back it up. I learned how to drive on city roads, on country roads. He had me getting onto the interstate with a coach, and I came out of it feeling a whole lot more comfortable with the driving experience.
I think it's so important that, as we are getting older, anything could happen. And if something happened to him, I really need to know what I'm doing. So to learn the basics and just even driving it straight somewhere, I think everyone should have to take the class. It was great, absolutely great.